Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Sunny here. Today we're going to be doing a video. In this one, we are playing a game called Fortnite. It's a pretty cool game. I really like it. We're doing Battle Royale, not Save the World. So, it's really fun. I like the game. You might have seen some other YouTubers play it, and they are much better than me. So, go watch them more, because I suck at this game. But if you don't want to go watch them, then come back here and watch this video of me failing in Fortnite. Enjoy. So I'm gonna go loot this house because it looks like there's stuff in it. So I'm gonna close that and oh no, oh, are you serious? Frick you. He got the stuff first. He's not being serious with me right now. So I just looted a chest, and it had a gun in it, which is good. I got a gun. Yeah, it's okay. Oh no, I'm not gonna drop that, please. Okay. Shotgun. Need shotgun. Are you serious? Okay, is he gonna give me a shotgun or no? Or is he just gonna switch through all his guns? Is he just gonna switch through all his guns and not even care? Yeah. I don't even mind that much at all. Materials. So, just saying that I need materials. This is not gonna do it. Wood. I can't say it sucks. I mean, it's okay. It'll do. But at the starting point, you should have a decent amount of bricks. Bricks, they are strong. Metal, hard to get, no, but strong. If you come across something like this, and try your hardest to just break it off. Break it off. Not try your hardest because I just did it easily. But break it off. And you should be good. Now, if you get a looting like that, do something a bit like this. Now you've got a relatively good gun. And if you come across someone, you can come into your gun selection and shoot. Normally, when you come across someone, you panic. You panic. Everybody panics. Don't worry. If you panic, don't worry. It's okay. Like, everybody panics in Fortnite. Everybody will eventually panic. But it is normal. Don't care. It is completely normal to panic in Fortnite. Everybody does it. It will eventually happen. You will come across someone. They will be much better than you. They will shoot you. They will slaughter you. They will slaughter you. You shoot one bullet. They might be hurt, but you'll be panicking. You wouldn't even be able to talk. Not that type panic, Sonny. But you would be panicking. It would be hard for you. So try and not panic. That would be kind of good if you did not panic, because panicking never really ends out well. I used to panic a little, but I'm kind of used to it. I'm a level 12 on Fortnite, so I don't panic too much, but I can panic. So if you ever see on Fortnite, slaughter me, please. That would be greatly appreciated. Somehow. Yeah, I did say somehow, because I can. Anyways, It's kind of bad staying down here. Anyways, I'm going to travel much more than I have because I haven't literally gone anywhere. Like if I was normally playing, I would have some. I guess I got like the materials that I would normally get in a normal battle royale. But I should be. Don't know. Okay. I'm gonna grab you. You. And what's in here? So this is a really bad dance, by the way. It's really bad. Like the sound doesn't even go with it, honestly. It's really bad, but I have it. And when you win matches, you get V-Bucks. With V-Bucks, you can buy more dances, but the dances, expensive is all I can say. Expensive. Really expensive. Honestly, totally expensive. They are so expensive. They can get, and buying V-Bucks, expensive. When I say expensive, US money, expensive. So, they're not that expensive, but I'm not from USA. I can't tell you where I am from because reasons. There are reasons that I cannot say what I must not say. Now, what's in here? Let's search this. Grenade launcher? I don't know. You guys can have that grenade launcher, by the way. I'll take this. So, I am kind of going good. If I get into the, let's say, top 6, top 6, then that would literally make me just die. 'Cause just come on. Like honestly, how am I gonna get into the top 6? That would be just bull crap. That'd be, oh, what is that there? No. What the hell is this? Guys, please tell me what this is. For some reason, I'm feeling so cool about this. I think this is gonna be cool. What is this? What happens if I stay here? What happens? Okay, I heard shoots. Why is there somebody's guns and stuff down there? Let's break our way out. I mean, this guy's a rocket launcher? Nice. We could actually win this one. Maybe. We can maybe win this. Are they just leaving it up to me to kill whoever we're trying to kill here? I bet. Now this, by the way, is an SMG that I'm holding right here. Let me just show you. SMG, as you can see. SMG, as you can see. It's yeah, so we are going to follow these guys, and when we get to where we're supposed to get, I will tell you. So I'm back here, and we are around this place. What is this? retail row, and we are really compacted. We are really compacted. And can I please come in? So we are compacted and we are in here. And what are you doing? Why did you just break that? Why did he just break that? Why did he just do that? Okay, that's weird, but thank you guys for watching this episode of Sunny Plays. We are doing Fortnite in this episode, and in this one, and thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna bye.